Hello, welcome back to my channel. We are in Henry County in the city of Stockbridge, touring a beautiful DRB homes community called Diamante. It's a gorgeous townhome community and it is perfect for you and your family. So let's go inside and see what all the fuss is about. Enjoy the tour. Well, I certainly hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely model home. As you can see, I am in the kitchen and it is so spacious in here and well lit. We have natural light coming from all of these windows, including the door that goes to the patio, and also light coming from down up top, the recessed lighting. So when you talk about new construction, you don't want to go at it alone. Don't do that. You want to have some support. Consider me a resource. I'd love to assist you and your family on your move here to Georgia. This right here is townhome living. It's affordable living. So if you're looking for a place to find that's affordable in your budget, this is the place to be, okay? We're in Stockbridge, so we're close to a lot of different things that's going to be great for you and your family. We have the Stockbridge Amphitheater, we have hospitals and grocery stores, shopping. Listen, everything you need is right here. So you're in a great location. Also, the builder is offering some great incentives for you to move in. You know, when you move into new construction, there's a little nuance to it. And it's great to start in new construction when they first begin building, because they have tons and tons and tons of incentives for you. So with this builder, DRB, they're offering $22,000. So you'll get a portion from the builder and a portion from the preferred lender. Let's get you started today. Go ahead and call me. You can text me, email me. I will respond. My information is boom right here. Go ahead and contact me right away so we can get you started. I love to assist you and your family. I can't wait to meet you in person. We can sit down and have a quick one-on-one video call to go ahead and get acquainted with one another, and then we can get started right away, okay? So we'll talk to you very soon, and we'll see you on the next videos. Take care.